My name is Jeff Serrill, and I'm a researcher at the City of Hope National Medical Center in Duarte, California. After earning my PhD, I decided that I wanted to devote my postdoctoral training toward making an impact in the field of type 1 diabetes treatment, and chose to come to the City of Hope because of its long history in promoting scientific advancement in this field. Type 1 diabetes is caused by an inability of a patient's pancreatic endocrine cells to secrete insulin in the presence of blood glucose, and dramatically affects the lives of millions of people worldwide. The City of Hope is well known for its pioneering work in developing a method for producing insulin for type 1 diabetes treatment, but there are many other projects here which are also devoted to curing this disease as well. The goal of my research project is to identify the ways which different endocrine cells in the human pancreas interact with one another to produce coordinated responses to glucose challenges, and then use this information to produce fully functional pancreatic tissue that can later be administered to patients to cure their diabetic symptoms. Currently, the most successful treatments for type 1 diabetes rely on transplantations from donors with healthy pancreatic tissue, but there simply aren't enough available donors to meet the demands for such therapies. We've recently developed a molecular tool which will allow us to produce different types of pancreatic cells in the laboratory, and can use this tool to dramatically improve our current understanding of how these cells interact with each other to achieve normal blood glucose regulation in normal humans. Previous researchers have made impressive strides with regard to producing insulin-producing cells in the pancreas, but the role of alternative cell types in the pancreas in affecting the function of these insulin-producing cells has been largely overlooked. If we can use this information to produce functional pancreatic cells which mimic those which arise during normal development, then we'll have taken a significant step forward in eventually eradicating this disease so that no one has to live with type 1 diabetes anymore. I've always been passionate about conducting research on human disease and believe that widespread translational research will eventually lead to cures to virtually every illness that currently affects humans worldwide. That research will ultimately require a great deal of work from researchers around the world, and has no hope of succeeding without the generous support of donors like you. That support is greatly needed and appreciated, and will go a long way in helping us eventually find a cure for type 1 diabetes. Thank you.